Yamaha TT is one of the dirt bike lines developed by Yamaha Motor Corporation, a Japanese automotive company known for the production of high-quality two-wheelers. The history of the Yamaha TT dates back to 1976, when the first model, the TT 500, was introduced. It was designed to meet the needs of off-road enthusiasts who wanted a reliable and powerful vehicle for various terrains. In the decades since its launch, the Yamaha TT has become an icon in the dirt bike world, with a strong reputation among off-road enthusiasts around the world. It is not only a choice for adventure-seeking riders, but also a part of Yamaha's long and successful history in the automotive industry. Now comes a concept Yamaha TT 700 Twin. The Yamaha TT 700 Twin seen in this video is a modern embodiment of Yamaha's legendary heritage in the world of dirt bikes. The bike features a rugged and aggressive design with striking orange and black colors. The front of the bike is equipped with long orange fenders, providing maximum protection against mud splashes and dust when riding on off-road terrain. The bike's bodywork strikes a balance between classic and modern aesthetics. The sleek fuel tank and flat seat give a vintage-inspired feel to the old TT models, while the frame and other components show contemporary technology and engineering. The 700 Twin sticker on the side of the motorcycle body emphasizes the engine capacity and the type of configuration used, providing a clear and unequivocal identity. The Yamaha TT 700 Twin is equipped with a 700cc two-cylinder engine, which delivers high performance and responsiveness. The engine is designed to provide strong torque and enough power to tackle a variety of rugged terrains. The twin-cylinder configuration provides a good balance between power and smoothness, making this bike ideal for long rides and challenging off-road trails.